If you are new to trading, okay, if you are just getting started with trading cryptocurrency, do not use high leverage, okay? I repeat, do not use high leverage. Why? Because it is going to wreck you, okay? It's going to make you lose all of your money. You're going to end up regretting it. So don't even try it. If this is the only thing you take out from this video, do not use high leverage, okay? I'm going to explain to you exactly why using high leverage is like the worst thing that you can do as a beginner in trading, okay? So stick around to the end to find that out. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and on this channel I make videos on cryptocurrency. I teach you guys how to trade and invest in it. So if you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell to stay updated whenever I post the next video. So in this video, I am going to be talking to you guys about why you shouldn't be using high leverage, okay? If you're just getting started with trading cryptocurrency, you do not want to use high leverage. You want to stay far away from it, okay? Because it is extremely risky, okay? I will explain to you exactly why that is. First of all, what is leverage? Okay, I'm going to jump in my computer to show you, okay? I'll give you an example. I feel like if I show you guys what leverage is, okay, on the exchange, you'll have a better understanding of what it is, okay? So let me jump right into my computer here. So basically, leverage is what allows you to trade with more money than you have, okay? So on every exchange that you can trade crypto on, they allow you to use leverage, okay? This exchange that I'm using here is Bybit, and here on Bybit you can find the leverage here on the far right side here at the top, okay? When you click on that, you'll see that Bybit has 50x leverage, okay? That's the maximum that you can use. The minimum you can use is 1x. So what is this? What is 50x? What is 10x? So basically, this is what will allow you to trade with more money that you have. So let's say, for example, you only have $500 to trade with, okay? But you want to trade as if you had 1,000. Then you would go ahead and increase your leverage, okay? You can increase your leverage, and that will allow you to actually trade as if you had 1,000. Now, the higher leverage that you use, the less money that you need to trade with. And the lower leverage that you use, the more money that you need to trade with. Now, why is trading with high leverage extremely risky? Let me tell you why. So the reason why using high leverage is extremely risky is because you will get liquidated very fast, okay? So whenever you enter a trade, there is something called liquidation, and this is when the exchange will close your position if the market is going against you, okay? If the market goes against you to a certain level, depending on what leverage you use, then the exchange will close your position, and that means that you will lose all of your money. So when you use high leverage, it actually brings your liquidation price closer. This means that the price of whatever asset that you're trading only has to move by very little before you lose all your money, okay? So this is why it is extremely risky. You can lose all your money. If you enter a position where the market just starts going against you, then you can lose your money at a blink of an eye. You should only use high leverage when you are experienced, okay? If you are an experienced trader, this is the right time to use high leverage. When should you use a high leverage again? You can use high leverage when you are confident about the position that you are taking, okay? If you know that, okay, you've analyzed the market properly, and then you're confident that, okay, I know that this is the direction that the market is going, you enter at the right time, then this is when it is okay to use high leverage, because you know that the odds are in your favor. Okay, so in this case you can go ahead and use a high leverage. The other time when it is okay for you to use a high leverage is when the reward will be higher than the risk. Okay, when you're trading, once you have analyzed the chart and everything, and you see that the reward is going to actually be higher than the risk, then that is when it is okay for you to use high leverage. But if the risk is more than the reward, then you do not, okay, you do not want to use high leverage, because your trade is just going to go the opposite direction. So most of the time, people who use high leverage, they also use it only if they're going to be in the trade for a short period of time. So that is like for 30 minutes up to like an hour. Okay, that is when it is okay to use a high leverage. But if you're entering a trade where you know you're probably going to be in there for hours or days, weeks, then you don't want to use a high leverage. Okay, unless you are 100% confident. Honestly, okay, you can never be 100% confident that the trade is going to go against you. Okay, but you can be 90% sure. If you are 90% confident that the market is going to go your way, then it is okay for you to use high leverage. Now, what is considered high leverage? I would consider high leverage to be anything above 10x. Okay, anything above 10x is considered high leverage, and that is extremely risky. When you're just getting started with trading, you do not want to be using any leverage that is above 10x. Okay, I recommend using 8x. 8x is actually a perfect leverage to use, because this is going to push your liquidation point way far from your entry point, so you can end up staying in the trade for like hours or even days, and you will be safe there. So this is why I recommend using 8x. When you're just getting started, start using 8x leverage or lower. The thing with using low leverage though, okay, it has its benefits. The benefit is that you are going to not get liquidated as fast. However, the disadvantage of using low leverage is that, you know, you actually need more money to trade with, right? Because since you're using low leverage, it means that, you know, the exchange are not going to borrow you that much money. So that's the only disadvantage with low leverage, is that you actually need more money to trade with. But high leverage, the benefits of it is that you need very little money to trade with, and you can actually make a lot of money when you are trading with high leverage. However, you can also lose a lot of money if you're trading with high leverage. But with low leverage, you can't really lose that much money. You can make a lot of money, but it might take time, but it's safer. So I hope that you guys take this advice. Please stop using high leverage. If you're doing it right now, I bet you're noticing that you lose money all the time whenever you're trading. So if you want to start seeing less losses in your trades, then you want to stop using high leverage. Okay, decrease the amount of leverage that you're using, drop it down to like 10x or lower, and I promise you, you're going to start noticing that you're actually losing less money. I hope you guys take this advice. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Like this video if you found it helpful. I truly appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. See you in the next video.